Hi guys! Over the last 7 days, I tested a blockchain project to see how its reward system actually works in real usage. This blockchain project is running a welcome gift for new users. I claimed a reward with the promo code HUNT. Now many projects reward their users for testing their games and projects, which I think is great motivation for the blockchain community. I've decided to try out a few games that caught my eye. A lot of projects aim to engage their users with interesting features like various games, rewards, referral programs, and sleek design. This creates a very competitive environment where only the most user-friendly and rewarding projects manage to stand out and retain their audience. Therefore, a well-thought-out onboarding and engagement strategy has become crucial for any Web3 project's success. My strategy is to take advantage of these generous onboarding offers. That's why, as a user, it pays off to research the market, compare offers, and choose projects that truly value their community with sustainable rewards and long-term vision, not just short-term hype. It's crucial to remember that this space is highly experimental. I'm testing these games to satisfy my own curiosity and share the journey with you. Please, see this as entertainment and a learning experience, not as financial advice. In the traditional web, your attention is monetized through ads. In Web3, your attention is an asset, and projects pay an upfront price for it. This is the cost of overcoming the biggest barrier, the complexity of setting up a wallet and understanding a new paradigm. It's the direct monetization of a user's learning curve. A like, share, governance vote. These social metrics now have direct economic value. Projects reward not just showing up, but for concrete actions that benefit the ecosystem. This turns a passive consumer into an active stakeholder. We are in the middle of a grand experiment in digital incentive design. You are not just a player or a user, you are a test subject in a lab of behavioral economics. Understanding these mechanics isn't about getting rich quick. It's about developing the literacy to navigate a new internet where every click, like, and share might carry a hidden price tag or a hidden reward. The power lies in knowing which is which. As you can see, I've finished testing the games. Now, I'm withdrawing my reward to my USDT ERC20 address. This completes the full cycle, from research and testing to the final step, cashing out. I'm refreshing my Trust wallet and, yes, the USDT has arrived. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next one.